What's poppin', guys? It's Dynamite, and today I'm gonna show you how to use your phone to help you make Jersey Club tracks. On FL Studio, we're gonna go to Options, we're gonna go to MIDI settings, back to our phone, we're gonna click on FL Studio, tap to connect, and let's refresh our device list and enable image line remote. And as you can see, my phone is listed here. Now I'm gonna demonstrate how you can use your phone as a remote control for FL Studio. I'm gonna open up SliceX and I'm gonna drag this song from Nebuchadnezzar all in. So now on my phone I can do slice 1, and on slice 2 I can do. Now another feature you can do on your phone is like play and pause it. So on my phone I can play and pause it at metronome. Let's say you're trying to tune an 808. While playing the track on your phone, see what key the 808's in if you don't know the key of it. Well, that's not an 808. Let me pull up one from the Jersey Club Essential Drum Kit. As I play the song, I can click on the 808 and see which one fits the best. Now we will continue using FL Studio and the phone to finish this track.
5 minutes later.
Using the ILRemote that Image Line provides you guys, it can be very beneficial but also a pain at the same time. Let me know what you guys think about it, and I'll be providing this project file in the description below. See you guys next time.